Yo, what's going on, guys? We back with another video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm back with another video, man. I'm here with
your boy Chris Fish, but you can call me Chris.
You know me, man, going that shit, but I got two nicknames what the channel's called. Yes, sir, man. First and foremost, appreciate y'all for the support, man. Y'all been crazy. I was stupid. Really do appreciate it. So if you enjoy, hit that sub button. And if you end up liking this, you can always subscribe.
Anytime we hope you stay.
Yes, sir, man. Before you get into the video, man, check out the Patreon description below. And man, got a lot of great things over there, man, from K-dramas to concerts. The like safe enjoys over here, you enjoy over there, so check it out if you can, if you're willing to, and check out the Twitch description below as well. Hype the video while you're at it, because you already know what it is, man. It's the Chris Kai Summer Smash with me. It's from June 1st to August 31st. We upload every single day, not including Patreon, and sometimes you get double uploads on YouTube. Nobody does it like us on YouTube, man, so show us some love, man. Almost over. Almost over. So, yeah, man, you see we're here with Twice. Firework live stage world tour finale in Seoul. So, seeing this was like, I don't think we've ever seen a live performance of fireworks. So, I was like, bro, let's just go ahead and just show me, son, show me some.
You had that. Seen that. Soul, they got spoiled, bruh.
Shout out Soul.
Soul got spoiled.
He got spoiled the motherland.
They got spoiled.
They got spoiled their motherland, man. That's their motherland. Man.
Spoiled, bruh. Lucky them.
Hey, man. Shout out Twice. That was our first time seeing that performance. Yeah, bro, it was looking good per usual, man. You know what I'm saying, man. I hope we get some more live performances, man. Hope we get some more live performances, man. So, definitely enjoyed that.
Man.
Shout out Twice, man.
Shout out Twice, man.
So, best girl group, best K-pop group.
All time.
All time.
Stamp.
If you got something to say, keep it to yourself, because I don't care. When it comes to Twice, I don't care.
I already say what I said.
Right, yeah.
I'm not gonna change my mind.
Like,
It's other good groups, of course.
Okay.
Other top tier groups. Other legendary groups.
Look, man.
Which is not the best.
it's Twice. It's okay.
I'm not sorry.
Shout out the girls, man. If y'all enjoy, like, share, subscribe, jump on K-pop cable that comes below. Anything and everything with this doing, man. Appreciate y'all for the support, man. Gonna keep grinding, keep pushing y'all for y'all. Check out the Patreon, Twitch description below as well. I had to go to where at it, please and thank you. Love y'all, man.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Good.
And we out, brothers.